If you're experiencing pending transfers on eBay, it's important to resolve them quickly to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to address the issue effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your account information. Ensure that your bank account and payment information are accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies in your account details can lead to pending transfers. Step 3. Confirm your identity. If eBay requires additional verification, follow the prompts to confirm your identity. This may involve providing identification documents or answering security questions. Step 4. Contact eBay support. If the issue persists, reach out to eBay customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfer and any error messages you may have received. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your account for updates. Pending transfers should resolve within a few days, but if they remain unresolved, consider following up with support again. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve pending transfers on eBay and ensure your transactions proceed smoothly.